Rkbackpacking.
What are we doing today?
So today we're leaving Java. If you watch our previous video, we climbed Mount Ijen, volcano, saw fire, which was blue, it was cool. Now we're heading back to Bali. We're going to here. It's another part of Bali along the north coast where we're going to stay the night and we're going to do some snorkelling because apparently it's really good for snorkelling there. But first we have to get a ferry back to Bali and then carry on.
Hopefully it's as easy as last time.
Hopefully. So this is actually 2,000 cheaper than the outside.
And how much was that?
38,000. Right, it's between 1 and 2 now. We've got to get. So there it is. When's the next ferry? Now. Where do I go? Taxi. Made it. It's a different one. It's more like a passenger ferry this time.
Yes, I'm recording.
And it's on the shelter, which is good because the bags won't get wet then. Perfect. Yeah. So you want to check the ticket? Halo. Apa kabar?
Ya, baik. Silakan. Ya, sama-sama. So for our English followers, what did you say to him?
I said, how are you? He said, bye, which means good. Terima kasih, I said, thank you. He said, sama-sama, which means you're welcome.
Perfect.
Hello. Where do I go under here? My friend. There's some kids up there. You jumping in? Jump in? Yeah?
Don't tell it to jump in, that's madness. Surely not. Why?
Wow!
Off the ferry? He's jumped in off the ferry.
That's it.
How's he going to get back on?
I don't know.
He's buying a ticket now.
Oh, he's getting the bottle. So I did hear there's
he's doing it from there.
So people are throwing coins. You throw it? Yeah, what, out? Yeah. Anywhere? Yeah? You get it? Over there? Ready? You get it? Yeah. Yeah? You got it? Very good. Well, it's one way to make money.
Also, how do they get back on the boat?
I don't think they do get
that money to get the ticket.
Pays for the ticket, yeah. So there's our little boat down there, all packed up, just loading up now. I imagine they probably wait till it's full actually, because they've still got loads of space up there. But if you're wondering about boat times, you can get, I mean both times now we've pretty much just turned up and driven straight along, so I imagine...
I think they are every 20 minutes like it says on Google.
Yeah. But they have a couple boats that you can get on, like there's another one over there. It goes to the same place, so... Very easy. No worries. now. Seemed quicker. It didn't do as long a route. On the way to Java, it went a big up and down. This is just pretty much going straight there.
That's it, ferry done. Painless again.
Back to, huh?
Painless again.
Painless again, yeah, so easy.
We are now in Bali.
Hey!
So we're on day 3. We have just done the second petrol fill up. How much was it?
So they came to 45,000. It's similar to the first time. About £2.25. This is where we're staying. This is our room. So you go down to the into the room. It is currently 1,000,000 degrees in here. Big bed. Multi net, which is probably going to be needed. Katie looking disgusted at the state of the toilet, because it's a nice airy toilet we've got here.
Yes,
Shower.
if you shower, go stand in the shower. Now face me. That's a burger.
Oh. Oh, that's no good. Oh well. That's another room. I'll have to stand here with a towel, yeah? But hey, it was £5 a night, £2.50 each. That aircon wants to kick in a bit, because it is hot. So we've just had to quickly move room because the aircon wasn't working, but they were very helpful. So this is our new room now, and actually a bathroom that isn't invaded by neighbours. And it is actually pancake day today, so we might actually have to have a pancake. Terry, I can see. So, this is just us walking out the hotel now. There's our beautiful bike. And Bibi. This is the place. See the mountains in the background, kind of. And then if we just cross the road, that's Appel. And we are a stone's throw, if you have a strong throw, from the beach. But yeah, very nice. So we paid 1,009 rupiah. Is it rupiah?
Yeah.
Yeah, 109,000 rupiah.
Yeah.
For the room, which is just a little over £5. I think it's like
Got aircon, private bathroom. I don't know if it's got Wi-Fi. Haven't actually figured that out yet, but
did say on booking.com, but it did have, but
parking.
Off-road parking.
Comfy bed. I've never showered outside before, so that'll be an experience, but willing to give it a go. And happy we moved room, because now you can't get any Pete's looking over.
Pervy Pete's.
Pervy Pete's.
But yeah, we're just literally down here. We'll go check out matey, shall we? The guy?
Who?
The guy sitting at the hotel.
I didn't hear what he said. I could hear traffic.
He's got a beach bar.
Oh,
It's
right.
part owned by the
Yeah.
hostel, homestay.
Yeah, why not?
That's why I said should we go down to the beach.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
I thought you'd heard it. My mistake.
I could just hear traffic.
Ah. Terry, I can see.
Sama.
Maaf. So, and then I asked him about snorkelling. He said the best place. This is a great place for snorkelling, so we will do it. There's also a turtle sanctuary. Yeah, he says it's a very good place for snorkeling. You have to do it here.
Because I saw some signs for adverts for diving,
Yeah,
which usually indicates that it's good.
yeah. So what we'll do, we'll speak to him while we're having something to eat, and we'll figure out where is best to go for a snorkel.
I think we're going to save our dive for Gili Islands.
Gili Islands or Komodo.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I mean Komodo is supposedly in the top 10 dive spots of the world, and it's cheap.
And it's cheap. So what, 20 quid a dive?
30 quid a dive.
Still cheap.
Still cheap.
Why is this whole place smell like this?
I don't know where the snorkel spots are, but this is the beach. Look at that. Beautiful. I can see people snorkeling out there.
It's pretty deep actually.
Yeah, there's loads of people snorkeling. Sweet. So yeah, we'll fill our bellies, have a beer, and have a snorkel.
It doesn't get dark here till like 7:15.
Yeah. It's 3 o'clock now, so we've got loads of time. So we got them. We got our beers. Take glass. Got our beers, and everything is going very well.
Too well.
Too well.
So we just asked the man that runs this restaurant where's good for snorkeling, and he said over there by that house there's like structures under the water. We've already seen signs saying about the coral, which is always a good sign. So should be good. This is Biorock in Pemuturan, northwest Bali. This is the biggest coral restoration project in Indonesia with 115 artificial structures. These metallic structures, which you can see here, are now almost fully colonised by corals and attract a lot of fish. As you can see, the water visibility isn't great, that's due to it being so close to the bay, but regardless it was very cool to see the structures covered in healthy coral. This coral is easy to see whilst just snorkeling, as it's only about 15 metres deep.
To Warung
Okay.
And the idea is, because back home it is Shrove Tuesday, which is pancake day. So we're trying to find someone to get some pancakes. We're also going to some dinner. Something cheap and cheerful. And this came up. So this is what we're doing.
What do you have?
Well, so I have a, I can't remember what it's called now. Fried noodle, rice noodle with egg, and it looks like some kind of satay chicken on the side as well. Delicious, so just throw it on me. And you've gone for a?
I have nasi goreng, which is fried rice, and it comes with an egg on the top and also some chicken down the side here. Delicious. So we've managed it. We found pancakes in Indonesia on Pancake Day. Banana pancake, chocolate ice cream. I think that might be syrup in that boat. Pancakes on Pancake Day.
So the day is done. We managed to get a ferry from Java to Bali, drove to Pemuturan, had some lunch, went in the sea, did some snorkelling. Snorkeling was okay, couldn't really see a lot, but it was good to get back in the water. Had some dinner, and I think that's us for today. Tune in for next time, where we head over to Lavina Beach.
Salamat malam.
Salamat malam. Sorry.
Salamat malam.
Salamat malam.